Hey guys, my name is Davide, online known as Goat. Welcome to the 5th devlog of Stack Up. Before we get into this week's progress, I am eager to tell you that now we are really close to having a working demo and that we need people to test it. So if you go into the description, you will find a Discord link to join our server, where more news will be given soon. Oh god, I'm so hyped. Anyway, back to the standard devlog routine. As you probably saw, the menu is getting prettier every week. Other than the logo, now everything has the right font and some awesome animations when you interact with the buttons. As next thing, we will add more details on the walls, the graphics for the volume and mouse sensitivity slider, and some flags for the language buttons. But wait, the game in every devlog was just in English. Did you add localizations? Exactly, we did. I read a lot about how Steam handles games in different languages, and it appears to be a huge advantage to have your game translated, mainly in Chinese, Russian, Spanish and German, because the majority of Steam users do not speak English. Also, the Steam store shows people game translated in their language only, so if you were to set the default language to Chinese, you would miss many titles. So after discovering this, I've started searching for the best way to localize the stuff in Unity, and I've only found complex or outdated plugins, mainly made to localize long text or audios. So I've made my own system. It's pretty simple and lightweight, and it's perfect for translating video games with just some UI text here and there. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in the code, and I will upload it somewhere for you. Anyway, we are Italian, so we translated the game in Italian, and thanks to our friend Kolya, we got German in as well. In the future, we'll find a way to get Russian, Chinese and Spanish done. Going back to the main game. It felt a little bit sad to work hard on a pile of objects to try and escape the flood, and then lose everything when falling in the water without having any time to appreciate your creation. So, this week, we introduced a post-death animation that shows your tower of forniture items after you dive in the water. I feel it is super cool, and it took me many tries to get this nice clip, so please appreciate it for a moment. Okay, enough. Next thing. Nebby reworked the pit, as we like to call it, and cleaned it up. It was so dirty down there before. Some new props for the wall have been added, like these two windows, this vent thingy, I don't know how it's called in English. Now we have the prefab, but we still have to implement them in the game. The particle effect of the object splash was made in a better way. Also a sound effect has been added when objects collide with water. Some tweaks to the character movement have been done as well. The most important one was avoid the possibility of sprinting while midair, but only when you are on the ground. We are still not 100% happy with the different speed of crouch, walk and run, and we'll tweak them a little bit more, but it's already at a good point. In-game, it is now possible to enter a pause menu by pressing escape. This menu has 3 different buttons: restart, options and quit. When you are in this menu, the game is completely paused, and if you press escape again, you'll get back where you were. We made this menu to give you the possibility of changing the volume and the mouse sensitivity at runtime. Also, if you like to restart a match, you can now do it easily. As always, thanks for watching. Remember to join the Discord server to find out more about the beta of the demo version. Hope to see you there. If you liked the video, remember to subscribe for more and don't forget to wishlist the game on Steam.